Hi, it's Radha, founder of the Flexibility Guru. I'm a wellness expert with over 50 certifications and almost 2 decades of experience. This upcoming week, I'm going to be teaching a free 5-day gratitude challenge. And I thought I would start with offering you a little routine to try out called EFT. It stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. And it's a way of kind of combining acupressure and affirmations in order to get you into a different headspace and state of mind. So I have people that tend to call me in times of crisis or when they need kind of a new perspective. And I had that happen this morning, and it was very hard to talk them out of their negative headspace. They were rather attached to it. And I think many times people experience this. And so one way to kind of clear that negative energy out of your body is with tapping. And I find that it takes you from negative affirmations into positive affirmations. So it kind of takes those negative thoughts and reaffirms them with a little bit more clarity, and then brings you over to the positive side and helps you connect with how you truly want to feel. So we're going to do this exercise to make sure we can clear any negative attachments you have to your stress and kind of negative state of mind, so that you can easily connect with your sense of gratitude. So with the EFT, there's different points on your body which are different acupressure meridians. So I want to just point those out first so you can find them easily, and then I'll take you through the routine. So the first one is the karate chop point, and it's kind of right in that midpoint of the hand. So if you feel around, kind of right in the center, you'll find a more tender spot, and that would be where you're chopping your hands against each other for the first kind of few minutes while we're talking. And then after that, you will be going to the eyebrow. So you go kind of right where the eyebrow begins. And if you push around, you'll feel that certain spot is more tender than that other. So when you're pushing on the meridian points, it's tender. So that's where you'd want to tap. And then if you move over to the outer eye, that's the next point. So you don't want to be over here on your temples. You want to be right on the corner of the eyes. And when you tap there, it should be a little bit tender. And then the next point is under the eye. So this is almost directly under your pupil. So you're going to tap right there. And if you want to kind of explore around and make sure you're on the right spot, it'll be a little bit more tender on that part of the bone. And you can use 1 finger or 2 for all these spots. Then the next one is under the nose. So kind of right in that crease between where the lips kind of divot in, right in there. And again, 1 finger or 2. Next one is under the chin. So it's kind of where your lip kind of indents underneath, like right in the midpoint. So again, 1 finger or 2. And then after that, you'll go to the collarbones. So if you go right to the middle of the collarbones and go right underneath them, you'll feel it's a bit tender under here, and that's where you're tapping. And then you're going to go under the arm. So you can just do one side. Lift your arm. You can put it wherever it's comfortable. Kind of going right, if you're a female, where your brow line is, kind of the rib right above the brow, bottom of the brow line. And then after that, you'll go to the crown of the head. So if you want the perfect spot, you take your thumbs, you can kind of put them inside your ears if you want. And then where your middle fingers touch, that's generally the right spot. But again, if you feel around, you'll feel where it's most tender, and that's where you're going to be tapping. Okay, so let's go through them really quick one more time. The karate chop is here. Eyebrows, top of the eyebrows, or start of the eyebrows. Side of the eye, under the eye, under the nose, chin, collarbones, under the arm. Good. So now we're going to go through. So I want you to just notice, close your eyes, and just think about gratitude right now. And how do you feel? Like, are you at all resistant about being grateful? And just notice what that level of resistance is. If you could rate it on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being extremely resistant to being grateful, you're just not in the mood, or 0, you have zero resistance against it and you're open and happy to be grateful. Kind of where are you on that scale? You might want to take a second to just write that down. And then we'll see where you are when we end. Begin by tapping on the side of your hand and repeat these phrases either in your mind or out loud. Even though I have been busy and I haven't spent time appreciating all of my blessings, I choose to slow down and feel grateful now. Even though sometimes I focus on all the things I don't have, I choose to relax and I begin to acknowledge all that I do have. Even though sometimes I get caught up in what isn't going right, I choose to take time to recognize all that is going right. Start at the eyebrow. With gratitude, I acknowledge all that I have in my life. Side of the eye. With gratitude, I acknowledge the love I have in my life. Under the eye. I know I don't always feel grateful. Under the nose. I don't always appreciate what I have. Under the mouth. And who I have in my life. Collarbone. I at times get lost in my thoughts and fears. Under the arm. That I lose sight of all that I have. Top of the head. So at times, I find it hard to be grateful. Start of the eyebrow. Because I feel the world is against me. Side of the eye. Nothing is working out the way I want it to. Under the eye. I feel ungrateful. Under the nose. Rather than seeing what I do have in my life. Under the mouth, which is a lot. Collarbone. Just sitting here, I can now see what I have. Under the arm. And there is so much. Top of the head. So many precious moments to be thankful for. Eyebrow. Life gets busy. Side of the eye. It's easy to get distracted. Under the eye. And sometimes I focus on what I don't have yet. Under the nose. But I'm beginning to see all that I do have. Chin. Life doesn't have to be perfect to be amazing. Collarbone. There's so much to be grateful for. Under the arm. I relax and open up to this feeling of gratitude. Top of the head. The more I practice gratitude, the more I have to be grateful for. Start of the eyebrow. I choose to feel grateful. Side of the eye. I want to feel grateful. Under the eye. There's so much in my life to be grateful for. Under the nose, including myself. Under the mouth. I am grateful for who I am. Collarbone. For those around me. Under the arm. I have so many experiences to be grateful for. Top of the head. I appreciate the gifts each day brings me. Start of the eyebrow. I am celebrating this wonderful feeling. Side of the eye. The feeling of feeling grateful. Under the eye. My heart is singing full of love and gratitude. Under the nose. I am worthy of all that life has to offer. Under the mouth. I choose to love and accept myself. Collarbone. I choose to bring an attitude of gratitude into my life. Under the arm. Right now. Right now. Top of the head. And always. Just take a deep breath. Tune into your own thoughts. You don't need to say anything out loud here. Just tap and be present to your own thoughts. Eyebrow. Tune into your heart beating. That sensation is keeping you alive. And let yourself feel grateful for your heart. Side of the eye. Tune into your breath. Another steady presence that is keeping you alive and well. Let yourself feel gratitude for your lungs and your breath. Under the eye. Tune into your whole body. It does so much for you, even when you ignore it, even when things aren't going perfectly. Your body is doing its best. Honor your body for being home to your incredible soul. Under the nose. Right now and right here. There's so much to be grateful for. Notice how that gratitude feels in your body. Chin. Think about someone in your life that you are grateful for. Be specific. Think about something they recently said or did that made you feel grateful. whether it was a simple, kind word or a gesture. Notice specifically what you are grateful for when you think about this person. Collarbones. Notice your body flooding with love and gratitude. You are so loved and you have so much love to give. Notice how this gratitude and love feel in your body, how it relaxes your shoulders, your jaw softens, and it allows you to breathe even deeper. Under the arm, think about the specifics of what you feel grateful for. Notice all the things that cross your mind. Relax into the space of gratitude. There's so much to be grateful for, and allowing yourself the time to pause and notice, you will discover more and more things to be grateful for. Top of the head. Simply begin to say thank you in your mind. Thank you for this blessing. Thank you, there is so much to be grateful for. Or is there someone you need to be grateful to? Express your gratitude to yourself and those around you. As you feel this gratitude in every cell of your body, stop tapping and take a nice deep breath in and let it go. Notice how your body feels. Notice if there is still any resistance to gratitude. Well done. Rate your intensity with a new number on a scale of 0 to 10. How resistant do you feel to gratitude? How does it compare to where you started? This is a wonderful first step to take towards developing more gratitude. Don't keep gratitude to yourself. Share it with friends, family, and those you encounter in your daily routine. Use this tapping routine anytime you need to remove resistance and refocus on gratitude. And that's EFT. Nice and simple, quick, great way to shift your mood. There's so many different purposes you can use this for. I'm an EFT practitioner, so I love helping people with this. So if you'd like to be part of the gratitude challenge, I'm putting the link in the details below, and it starts Monday, November 16th and runs till November 20th. All right, see you next time.